Hi everyone, it's Evie trying out a new technique. Well, it's just a different way of putting paint on the canvas. So all my paints are Autoslav paints with Floetrol and water. No silicone in these, so let's just get the paint on. The only difference between this and the last one I did is that this one will not have any white in it. I didn't like the effect of the white, so we'll try without any white. So that means we just have three colors. We've got violet. We've got red, and we've got blue. Okay. Ooh, we're getting some dark colors in there. All right, so my red is kind of hidden, so we'll go ahead and put some red on the edges. So we can at least have some red on the edges. Okay, I've got way too much paint on this canvas. Way too much paint. So let's try to do a little tilting. Yes, I've got way too much paint on this canvas and it's all dark paint. What are we going to do about that? Okay, so this is all dark paint. All dark paint. Okay, so how about some yellow? Because oh, I've got no more violet on there. It's just mostly red and blue. I'm going to put some yellow. This is not, I didn't plan on putting any yellow in a big circle, but it was just too dark. So let's see what that does. Okay, let's apply some heat. See if we can get some cells. Okay, apparently no cells are showing up. There is no silicone in this, but I thought I'd get some cells. Okay, so let's tilt a little bit. Okay, so why am I still, okay, there we go. Get rid of the white on the canvas. Okay, tilting is doing some interesting, oh, this is good, I like this. Tilting is doing some interesting things. Because now I've got some red in there. I don't know why I have bare canvas because there is no, oh, except in the yellow. I think the yellow does have silicone in it. But in the red and the violet and the blue, there is no silicone. So I don't know why I'd have bare canvas, but we need to take care of that. And I'm wasting a lot of paint. I'm just trying to get the sides all coated in paint. You know what, I think my yellow is too watery. I think that's what part of the issue is. Okay, so let's try again, see if we can get some cells. Okay, we do have some cells in the yellow because the yellow is the only one with silicone in it, but everything else, no cells. That is very weird looking. And I've wasted a lot of paint. Okay, that is my creation, my experiment. Thanks for watching.